Hello everyone. So today I am doing a first impression on, I've been looking for a makeup or a foundation that I want to wear when I don't want to do a full face. So something like a BB cream, a tinted moisturizer, something very light, kind of like that. I just have a lot of redness. I just washed, moisturized, toned, exfoliated, the whole skincare shebang. So right now I just moisturized. I use a vitamin C serum and then a pretty intense moisturizer. My skin's just been feeling a little dry lately. So I've been looking for like a tinted moisturizer, a BB cream, something that when I don't want to wear so much makeup, I have that other option. So I bought, this is CliniqueFit. It says Be Matte on the Matte workout makeup with a SPF 40. Cute little package. I got it in the color light. Sometimes I think I'm a lot tanner than I really am, especially in the winter. I feel like I'm pretty pale. So I got the light, so I haven't opened it, I haven't used it. So we are gonna see, I guess let's open it and see the shade and see how close we are, if we can even wear this today. And then I got a cute little, for buying this, I used my, I bought this at Ulta. So I got a Beyond Perfecting Super Concealer. I've never used Clinique anything, so I'm kind of excited to try a new brand. It says 12-hour wear, natural matte finish, oil-free, allergy tested, 100% fragrance-free. Shake well. Whoa. It says it's a 12-hour wear, buildable coverage, natural matte finish, refreshing, lightweight, oil-free, allergy tested. So we will see. I'm just going to apply this with my beauty blender. Almost every time I use my beauty blender, I wash it with a light hand soap. I just have like it's a gentle foaming soap from Bath & Body Works. It's in French lavender because that's my fave. I always use a soap. I don't know how this is gonna pour out. I kind of want to just a drop. It's got a little dropper. It looks pretty liquidy. So I just put a few drops on my hand. Ooh, it feels very moisturizing. It's very liquidy. But I think I'm gonna like that. And then I kind of want to see how it dries. I don't know if you can tell, but it's super light. So we are just gonna go ahead right on the face. See what happens. Okay. So I don't feel like it's too light. I feel like I can go. My skin's been pretty good lately, knock on wood. I feel like I can go with no makeup and I don't feel uncomfortable about it. I just have a little redness, like in my T-zone, and my cheeks are super red. And I think that's what makes me a little self-conscious. Is I wish I've tried a bunch of things for, you know, evening my skin tone and things like that, and it feels very nice on your face. I don't know, I feel pretty good about it. It's super light. I don't feel like I have any makeup on at all, which I like. But I feel like it covered all that I was looking to cover. Like my nose is super red, and I think that mellowed it down a lot. Yeah, I think it looks pretty good. It makes my skin, especially in this lighting, look like still very dewy and like moisturized. It says it's like a very matte, that's what I just said. Natural matte finish. It is very liquidy, like it runs down quite a bit. But I kind of like that. And I think the shade was good. This is the #1 light. I was gonna go light to medium, but I think sometimes I just think I'm light to medium, but I'm actually really pale. Because I feel like Clinique is a pretty well-known, popular brand, but very impressed. I actually really like this. I feel it's not as full coverage, it's not as heavy, but I feel like it gets the job done, and that's kind of what I was looking for, was just something to like even my skin tone out. So yeah, I'm just gonna go with the rest of my makeup. I'm gonna do kind of just a light natural makeup today, but if you guys have any suggestions on BB creams, tinted moisturizers, foundations you like wearing, when you don't want a full face of makeup, when you don't want a heavy full coverage concealer, comment them down below. I am a product junkie, so I literally try everything and anything that anyone has ever tried. Oh, my lips look gross. That anyone has ever tried. I want to try it all. I want to try every brand. I don't discriminate, whatever. So if you guys have any suggestions, anything that you really like, please comment down below. But yeah, I'm just gonna continue with my makeup, and then yeah, we will kind of see how it all looks at the end. It. So far, with having it on for 20 minutes, I really like the coverage. I like how it feels. I feel like I literally have no makeup on. But yeah, I just dabbed, like, this is just my powder brush that has like excess powder on it, and I just kind of dabbed it in the places that, you know, you want to matte down a little bit, or I just don't want my under eyes to crease. So I just used whatever leftover powder. I didn't put any new powder on. But I, so far, am really liking this Clinique foundation, I guess. I guess I don't really want to call it a foundation, but it kind of is a foundation. So, that is it for today. Thank you guys again for liking and watching and viewing and subscribing and all that kind of good stuff. If you guys have any questions on things I used today or videos that you guys want to see, I will be posting some more hair tutorials as well. I would love your feedback, love some ideas for hair tutorials that you guys are wanting to see. I was gonna kind of do like in between washes what I do, you know, day 1, 2, 3, 4. Some cute half updos, some cute festival looks, things like that. So we're getting into festival season, getting